We're at the Hanwha stand at EMO 2021. Now these machines are supplied by Dugard in the UK. They've got a fantastic range of slider head machines. We're going to have a look at the latest model, the XD10. William, tell me more about it, please.
Okay. This is a new model of the Hanwha machine. So we made some 10 diameter machine for more complete part. So we made some 10 diameter, maximum is 10 diameter, but it's a main spindle is 15,000 RPM, sub spindle is 10,000 RPM. The interest point is that even 10 diameter machine, we have a lot of tool. That means that we can make the more complex part for small diameter machine.
Okay, just looking at that working in both, a lot of tools, both front and back.
Yeah, so it's have you seen inside, so we have a back side, the Y2 axis has 8 tools, four stage tool, 4 driven tool.
Yeah.
So we can do also in the cross tool, we can change the input some thread walling tool holder, gear hobbing tool holder, and also polygon tool holder and angle tool holder, also possible to input it. Then we can make it some small diameter size market like a watch or electronic part and medical part. This is what we made for because of this machine.
So straight away, that sort of industry though, watchmaking, medical, very accurate. What sort of accuracy will this go down to?
Yeah, like there is a 1 or 2 microns. So depends on part, and also to make the good quality, we made a PCR chip breaking system. Okay?
Right.
So this is made by our own technology.
Okay.
So now we are thinking to give this kind of program for our customer as much as possible after EMO show. That would be easier to make the part without any chip problem.
Okay, so no more bird's nest anymore.
Yeah, no more bird's nest. This is our point.
With the PCR, cycle times increase slightly.
Yeah, it increases slowly because previous time is loft turning also only possible, but now is a PCR new version can possible to finish turning also possible.
Okay.
So that move is smoother.
But you're getting other benefits, better tool life.
Yeah, tool life is good. Yeah, tool life is better. Yeah. But
and surface finish?
Surface finish also better.
Okay.
But maybe sometimes it depends on customer's mind. So PCR is needed or does not need it. Yeah.
So with that then, you're getting the process security, so no bird's nesting, running all day, every day.
Yeah, all day, every day.
But is it easy to program, to turn on and off?
So this is also one more point. So we made a program guidance, some system.
Okay.
Maybe you are easy to see our promotion video. So there is some program, if you put some dimension of the part, that can make it easier to make our program, then put is a machine.
So you have your own offline software. So
yeah.
If I've never used a Hanwha before, is it easy to use?
Yeah, easy to use.
Very easy.
Even beginner can
even me.
But you should know about drawing. Yeah. So what it is.
So very simple to use. And FANUC controls as well.
Yeah, FANUC control is
Nice
basic.
and easy. It's easy to program, very easy to use. What sort of part? The parts are very accurate. How long can the parts be?
How long is it? This machine is a J1 stroke is a 170 millimeter.
Okay.
So remaining part should be around 200 because we are using guide bush unit.
Right.
So small part. Of course, sometimes customer need is a non-guide bush type, means that without guide bush, but we are thinking about accuracy. Okay. So with better to use a guide bush. That's why we are making the XD10 with the guide bush unit.
Okay, so this machine you don't take the guide, but you don't go non-guide bush.
Yeah. So only guide bush unit.
So there you have it. That's the XD10 from Hanwha, supplied by Dugard in the UK.